So this is our prediction we did yesterday on GBP USD. Our prediction was that GBP USD will continue to drop, and this is exactly what market did. It gave us a bearish move for yesterday. Markets opened and closed bearish move, right? Today we will be expecting markets also open and close bearish. Why are we going to be expecting that movement is what we are going to be analyzing right now. But first and foremost, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so that once we drop one or two updates, you would not miss out on any single update. Now let's start with our trend on GBP USD. This is the trend right here. We are in a downtrend move. It is very clear that GBP USD is on a downtrend move. Now this is our low that GBP USD gave us. Here comes the lower high. Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low. This is the lower high. Market then dropped one more time to form a new lower low. Here comes the lower high. Then we had another drop that formed a new low. Here comes the lower high. This is also a new lower low, right? That took out this previous low. This is our lower high, which you can call your equal lower high, right? So this is one of the reasons why we are having a multiple rejection at this zone. So there are multiple rejection at this zone. So this is which you can also take to be your resistance. Now market is now dropping, and guess what this market will do? Market should continue that drop till it is able to take out this low. So if you are a swing trader going for your sell and hold your sell position till next week, remember you should only sell and hold your sell position till next week before you can see any pips on this movement. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now on our 4-hour time frame, this is the pullback. You should expect market to give us some more drop to take out this low, thereby forming a new low for us for the